I'm reviewing this stylish little alarm clock that was sent to me. Thank you for doing that. It comes in a bunch of different colors. I got it in this nice kind of pastel green. It takes one AA battery back here, easy to put in and out. So you can take this with you, travel anywhere. Really stylish design with this gold on bottom. All the screws are gold, gold face here. You can see all of the, hands of the clock. Nice quartz movement, gold screw on top, even has a little light. So if you have this by your bed, you can put it off at, you can just check your time. You can check what time it is quickly with a light, but then it's also not staying illuminated all the time. You can turn the alarm on or off, and it's very easy to adjust the time or the alarm clock. So I'm going to turn the alarm on, and then see that little hand right there, the little teeny one is what the alarm's for. I'm going to go ahead and try to trigger it. There it goes. That's what the alarm sounds like. Simply move the dial in the back to stop it, or see if this works. Yeah, but great looking. My wife decided she wants to put it in the bathroom right here, and I think that has a nice little look and decor, and I hope that this video helps you with your buying decision.